Hello and welcome back to the new video of the Postman tutorial series. So in our previous video, we have talked about the theoretical and introductory part with the Postman, and we learned what are the basic features of that Postman offers to us. And now in this video, we'll be downloading the Postman into our Windows operating system, and we'll set up our Postman in and from other video onwards, next video onwards, we will actually start working on Postman using some APIs and try to test some APIs. Okay, so I will go into my browser and click on the new tab, and now I will write Postman download. Okay, and first link comes which is official from postman.com/downloads. You just click on there, you will be redirected to the postman.com/downloads, and there you can see uh, button Windows 64-bit, and if it will automatically detect your operating system and suggest you one button. If you are using a Apple or Mac device, you can see Mac OS corresponding Mac OS download, and if you are using Linux, then you can also see the Linux button as well over there. Okay, currently I'm using Windows 11, that's why it's showing me a Windows 64-bit download. Or let me click on the download button and it will start the downloads. Okay, so the file size is 165 MB. Depending upon your internet speed, it will get installed in your PC. I will wait for it to get installed on my system, and once it get installed, I will just click on it and install it. Okay, and by the time, if you guys are liking this series, and do hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, and do comment out anything that you likes uh, about this series. And if you have any doubt, you got any errors while installation as well, you can post your comments. We'll try to reach out to you and try to solve your errors as well. Okay, so 20 seconds, 18 seconds, my Postman setup will get downloaded, and after that I can install that setup. Okay, I will wait for 25 seconds more. Let it be. Okay, it's downloading. It depends upon your download internet speed. If it is good, then it will download quick, and if it is bad, then you have to wait for some time to get it downloaded. Okay, okay, now it's downloaded. I will just click on it. Okay, once you click on it, as you can see, processing is happening in the background. Okay, now you can see a Postman setup is there. Okay, it's gone, yes, here you can see Postman is running. Wait a minute, as it's working. Okay, fine, now it's fine. Let me, okay, fine. Now here you can see manage accounts. I have already my account over here. When you are coming for when you install for the first time, you should not see this page. You will see sign in or sign up page, where you can click sign up, and according to that you can give your credentials to them, and you after that you can create your account easily from there. And after creating an account, you can just click on the view profile to check all your details of your profiles. And this is the yeah, this is my previous project. I will do save changes. Okay, wait, don't save. Let me cancel out my previous project settings. I was doing the API testing for that project. Okay, fine. Now after signing up or sign in, you should see this page wherein my workspace is there, and collections, APIs, environments, mock servers, monitors, flows, and history is there. And we'll see each features of these in our upcoming videos. And one more thing you can do is you can just simply go into your browser and just write postman playground. Okay, so here you can see discover APIs collection by Julian in Postman Playground work based on the Postman public API network. So they do have their own playground where you can go and do the same sort of things that you can do inside your application. As you can see, the API, the screen is or the UI is also similar. Nothing is changed in this. You can do all these steps that you are doing in your app. You can do it also in your playground as well. So you can prefer any one of this. I generally prefer application, so not playground, because I kind of like the UI which app offers us. Okay, it's totally depends on you which you prefer, you can use. Okay, so this is how you can install or set up your Postman in your operating system, whichever operating system you are using. So okay, so in our next video we'll start working on Postman, and we'll see you there. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.